Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear my students, ladies and gentlemen, we meet again in English lessons, virtual learning for 8th graders, meeting 6. Still with me, your teacher, Mr. Ahmad. Okay, let's start our meeting today by reading Al-Fatihah together. Al-Fatihah. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin arrahmanir rahim maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Okay, students. Now, before we continue our study, please take your English textbook. Yeah. Take your English textbook and open page 31, 32, and 33. Okay, open your English textbook, page 31, 32, 33. Okay. What we are going to study today is about how to state that we can do something in daily life. How to state that we can do something in daily life means that we show the ability. We show the ability. Yeah. And the second is how to describe informations on the text. The second is how to describe information in the text. Yeah. I repeat once again. What we are studying today is how to state that we can do something in daily life. This is talking about ability. And the second, how to describe information on the text. How to describe information on the text. Okay, please focus on your textbook while listening to my explanation. Okay, students, to state that we can do something, to state that we can do something, please look at the example I show you. Example A. Mrs. Harun, I'm very proud of Siti. Now, she can help me with the housework before she goes to school. She can get up early herself. On example A, we can know two statements showing ability. The first is, now she can help me with the housework before she goes to school. This is the first statement about ability. And the second statement about ability is, she can get up early herself. She can get up early herself. Okay, this is example A. Now we come to example B. Rani, Yuli and Tono can make fried rice and they can fry the egg nicely. They can also serve fried rice beautifully with tomatoes and celery. In this example B, we can know three statements showing ability. Okay, three statements showing ability on example B. The first is, Yuli and Tono can make fried rice. Yuli and Tono can make fried rice. This is ability statement number one. And the second statement, they can fry the egg nicely. They can fry the egg nicely. And the second, they can also serve fried rice beautifully with tomatoes and celery. Okay, you know that? Those three statements showing ability. Ability in bahasa Indonesia is kemampuan. Can, the meaning of can is bisa, dapat or mampu. Okay ya. And then now see example. Mr. Adnan, it is usually not easy to speak English loudly and clearly. But I am happy that many of you can do it well. Adi still makes mistakes, but he can read his story loudly. In this example C, we can know there are two ability statements. The first is, I am happy that many of you can do it well. Many of you can do it well. This is the first statement. And the second, Adi still make mistakes, but he can read his story loudly. He can read his story loudly. Okay. If you need more example, you can open your English textbook. Okay guys, next. To state that we will do something. Yeah, to state that we will do something. Okay, example. Adnan, my mom is out of town today. My dad is also very busy, but he will come to my school to collect my report. Okay, in this statement, there is one statement that states that we will do something. Okay, so the clue here is will, means willing to do something. Ya, in bahasa Indonesia akan melakukan sesuatu. The statement of that is, he will come to my school to collect my report. He will come to my school to collect my report. This is talking about something that we will do, or something will do. Okay, the second example. Latin. My aunt is often angry with my cousin, Lucy. She makes mess, but she will not do the cleaning. She will not even clean her own room. Yeah, if last time in the example A, this is positive statement of will, now in example B, this is the negative statement of will. What are they? Number one, on example B, she will not do the cleaning. The second, she will not even clean her own room. Now example C, Gunawan, my uncle paints his own house. When he has time, he will paint our house too. In this example, the will statement is, when he has time, he will paint our house too. He will paint our house too. Okay, now for example D. Dia. My brother loves sport. He thinks that exercise is the best way to be healthy for his health. He will walk 2 kilometers to his office every day. My brother loves sport. He thinks that exercise is the best way to be healthy. For his health, he will walk 2 kilometers to his office every day. The will statement here is, he will walk 2 kilometers to his office every day. Okay guys, if you need more example, you can see your textbook. Okay, now exercise. For exercise, please do exercise page 33, 34, 35, and 36 for critical thinking. Okay, remember, fill in the blank 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, thank you. That's all for now. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.